Hey there, if you want to turn the subtitles on or off on your Samsung Series 6 TV, here's how you do it. Grab your remote control and press the menu button. Next, scroll down and go to System. Once here, go across to Accessibility and press Enter. As you can see, the third option here is Subtitle. Select that, and the very first option allows you to turn the subtitle on or off. I'll turn it off for now. You can see below there are some other options if you do wish to have subtitles on, where you can change the primary subtitle language and secondary as well. So that's how you turn on or turn off subtitles on your Samsung Series 6 TV. I hope it's been useful for you. If it has, give it a quick thumbs up, really helps me out. Thanks a lot for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.